my room right now. Get out!
Shut up, my friend! Will you get out of my son's room? Talking about it, your room.
Your son's room?
Yes!
My husband can never have a father like you. You are a wicked man. You are a greedy man. Get out of my room!
Look at you. You think I will never leave this room until I get all documents of the property of my son? You think we do not know your plans? You think we do not know?
Know what?
You murdered him and you planned to collect all his property and his money and then go and spend it elsewhere. Me, it will not happen.
Me? Kill my husband? Me? Kill my husband? I did not kill my husband.
You are talking nonsense.
Get out of my room.
I'm
warning you.
You are a murderer.
You don't want to leave, right? I know what to do.
Look, you killed your...
I did not kill my husband.
After all, what I went to say, I did my research very, very well. I did not see her corpse on the site. I did my investigation. I have my findings. So forget all these your semantics.
I am warning you.
Murderer.
I am warning you. Leave my room.
Those things, or I will be forced to get it myself. All those.
You are going to leave. I'm not leaving, right? I'll call the police.
I'll
call them.
You're talking nonsense.
Okay, you see now. Look at my trouble. You're looking at my. Hello.
Get that phone.
Get out of my room. Give my phone.
Get
out. Hey!
Hold on! Are you people ready now?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Where are we going, sir?
Now you know you have to. It is on my instructions. I don't want you people to be doing things haphazardly while taking your own decisions. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Who is driving this car?
It's me, sir.
So, what are you doing with a gun? Or is that the key to drive the car?
Yes, sir.
Keep that gun inside this and then enter the steering. Monkey.
Sorry, sir.
Yes. You are saying?
Where are we going, sir?
We're going everywhere and anywhere and nowhere. You know the essence of convoy. Just go move around the town. I hope the thing there is on the siren.
Yes, sir.
As soon as we hit the road, let it go.
Yes, sir.
I want the town to know that somebody important is passing.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Now, look, my friend, whenever you are with me, that gun you are pointing up, I don't want it. You might eventually accidentally kill an innocent bird. Maybe the one that is pregnant.
Sorry, sir.
Just keep pointing it down.
Yes, sir.
Take this key, go and open that door. You people should know what to do. Be agile. This thing that you people did with Okwa is not what I will accept. And you, why is your engine running? Why is the engine running? In a gutter fuel. Why is that engine running? Are you the one being escorted? You have to allow my own engine to run first before you start you start that engine.
Yes, sir.
On the engine, kill it.
Yes, sir.
Have you opened it? Now, you have to be in front. Formally, I have seen that what you people do is shut the assassin. Shut this dog on, or I will shut you up. I noticed that you are Ukwa of blessed memory, my son. It's always protecting you because it's always in front. Now, you people are going to be in front. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
So that if there is any bullet, that's why you're protecting me. The bullet will hit you first before it reaches me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You stay in front, so I can be safe. Yeah, that was nice driving. Now and after, take this one and pack it at the appropriate place. Come, Samson. I've told you when I was going to shut this door for.
Sir, it's like whenever he sees you, start shouting.
Why is he shouting? If he wants to judge because it's me, then I can understand it. Look, if this dog disturbs my movement next time, I will order one of you to shoot. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
But if you get quite his name. I just said you should go and kill. I didn't ask you to kill Samson. Come back here. I am the person giving instruction.
Yes, sir.
They are going to pack this thing very well. I was able to. As if you know how to shoot a gun.
Come now. Where are you going for?
I'm going somewhere now.
What is it?
Edward.
So you can't know that.
I'm rushing somewhere now. Edward.
You know that.
I'll go. Edward.
Now let me tell you.
Oh, God, has made money.
The man is rich. If I said being rich is an understatement, that is a multi-billionaire.
My love has made money. What's that one? What's the meaning of that?
Yeah, definitely. Before going, when you target the money, you can share it.
I beg, I'll see you later. I'll see you. Thank you very much.
Ejofa, I want you to get the Igbo in council, all of you, all the so-called elders. I want you to come to my place within the next 2 hours. Uwakwede, which is still me. It was Uwakwede then, but Uwakwego. In fact, Chukwuekwego, Uwa cannot decide to disagree. If God agrees, who is Uwa? I'm talking like this because I have made money. Ejofa? No, wait, don't hang up. Don't hang up. I need all the Igwes in council. I want you people to come to my place. Like I said, because I have made money. No, don't hang up. Ejofa, how would you like being thrown 100,000 naira at? I will throw 100,000 naira at you. Not for entire village, for you, Ejofa. And all the other members of the council, 50,000. But I need you people to come to my house in the next 2 hours. My house, I'm sitting at the center of the house. The house in the village. Ejofa, did you hear how I entered this village today? You heard it? Doesn't that tell you a story? I have arrived. I have made money. Come. Come and suck this milk of nature. Okay. No, I can afford to talk anyhow because I have made money. I'm not joking. When you come, if you do not go away with 100,000, then I'm a bingo. No. Hold on. Yeah, Helen. Yeah, please hold on.
Go. So easy to see.
Okay, I'll be back with you. Sorry.
Someone is here to see you.
Someone? Yeah, hold on.
Yes, boss.
Who is it?
She said Chiamaka.
Chiamaka?
Yes, boss.
Get her in. Sorry, Ejofa, I was Ejofa, for you to stay long here, it shows that you are interested in the 100,000, and I will give it to you. Just let them come, drink, make merry, and then enjoy the fruit of my labor with me. Go. I can talk, I can command any. Look, Uwakwe is for yesterday. Chiekwego is for today. In fact, I need all the Igbo in council. Who's that?
My name is Chiamaka.
Chiamaka. And who do you want to see?
I want to see Oga Wakwe.
Oga Wakwe.
Tell him Chiamaka.
Come back. Call me back later. Call me back in about 5 minutes time. Okay? Yeah. Sorry?
Someone is here to see you.
Someone? Yeah, hold on.
Yes, boss.
Who is it?
She said Chiamaka.
So she came here. That's her to come. What of Lodo? He hasn't come back? Hello? Hello? Yeah, I'm coming to. It's all right. Wait, I'll be with you soon. Sorry, I have one small visitor. Biabano, I am at home. Okay? Good evening, how are you? Parents?
I heard you were in town. So I decided to come and say hi to my love.
Visit your love?
Yes, love.
Chiamaka, I wonder why then I was the person who was coming to visit you. Now the table has turned and you are now coming to visit me. And I want to tell you that this man sitting here is a millionaire. Do you understand what I'm saying? I was coming to you, you were treating me like trash, as if I didn't mean anything to you. Please, I don't know. Unfortunately, poison! Poison!
Yes, boss.
Now get me another bottle of champagne in the listing. And then bring a seat for the rose on. Chiamaka. What was the name I used to call you then? Imaka.
I like the name.
Oh, you like the name now. You see? Don't worry, I will explain everything to you. You see, this world is such a small place. Sit down. Chiamaka, you left me and got married. By the way, you're still married to that your armed robber husband. I told you then. Oh, you were pushing me as if I were a junkyard. As if I was dust bin. The world is a very small place. And what makes the world go round is money, which I have gotten in quantum. Poison. I said champagne for kingdom's sake. You don't want to take anything? Alright, you can manage this. Okay, good. So as I was saying, Chiamaka, I wonder why you did not come to greet me that time. You know, I was running all over you. I was doing a lot of things, and I was just pushing me aside because you never went to me. Please, what?
Please forgive me.
Forgive
I'm
you?
sorry.
Forgive you for what?
I'm sorry for the way I treated you in the past. I'm so sorry, Oga. I'm sorry.
So you realize you treated me bad in the past. For that you can have the kudos. You so rejected me, neglected me, as if I wasn't in existence.
Sorry.
And you went and got... How about your armed robber husband? Are you still engaged to him? Or are you still married? Yes, I know. That time I was trying to do it, and he was trying to shower you with a lot of... No, look, I am a millionaire. No, that's an understatement. I am rich. No, I am very rich. Chiamaka, that's still an understatement. I am very, very rich. Well, what is there to forgive? There is nothing to forgive, because I have even outlived and outclassed yesterday. This world is a very small place, and if you tarry, you will make gains. The way you treated me, God said, well, it's not going to be like that. Well, before I talk with you, I used to call you a Macadam. Where was the whole man? They just vanished. That time you were looking very fair. You are looking pale now. You are looking so unkempt and so miserable. Before I talk with you, I am so classy that I don't just talk with anybody. I will give you a little thing to brush yourself up and probably brush up your behavior. Chiamaka, I have made money. The money I have made stinks. And I want you to take care of yourself. Take money.
Thank you very, very much. God, please forgive me.
Well, I'm still considering it, but I would like to talk to you when you look like a human being. By the time you're coming back, I know that money is enough to buy up even all the salons here. Make your hair, buy clothes, keep yourself, buy good cream. Even I need to check. I want people who are still shining. But buy better shoes before you talk to me. Don't get off. Fine, get off. Person! Please show her the way.
Thank you.
Hello. Hello. Yeah. I'm okay. I had an impurity disturbance. That was why I had to.
Molly! Lisa! I'm just worried. I've been calling Destiny's line for so many days. No response. In fact, the worst of it all is that the number is not going through. And this is so unlike her. She has not called me. She has not even sent me a text. I am worried.
My dear, I guess it's a network problem.
Network problem for how long?
I don't know.
Do you know why I'm worried about her? You know how her mother-in-law behaves. Yeah. Do you understand? I am so worried. And okay, you know what? Just go get dressed. Let's go search for her. Right. You know she's a good friend, okay? Right. Please be quick about it. Go quick. Let's go and check her. Just pray she's safe. Please be fast now. Alright.
Mama, sorry, what of Destiny?
Do I look like Hakiba?
What's that your name again?
Pauline.
Pauline. What of your friend? Lisa.
Uncle, she went to buy something.
Oh, really? Okay, so how are you?
I'm fine, Uncle.
I suppose you come to look for Destiny.
Yes, Uncle.
Look, drop this uncle. You know, I'm not that old. Maybe people have been deceived by, you know, the gray hair and then the wrinkles on my face. It is hereditary. In my family, at the age of 10, people have started growing gray hairs. Destiny didn't tell you. Destiny traveled to Abuja.
She didn't tell me.
She insisted on finding the corpse of her husband before coming.
She didn't tell me.
You should have called her.
I tried calling her, but her line was not going through. So I decided to come and check on her.
All right. I think it's network or something.
I'll keep on trying.
Just keep on trying. It's all right. Do that. Just continue to try her number. If she comes back, I will tell her that you visited. I'll get it. Why it should.
You have so much time for all this nonsense.
No, it's not wasting time. You don't have to make these people look, you know, as if they are suspecting us. You have to treat them fine. The moment you antagonize them, they will become suspicious. You understand what I'm saying? So treat them with kid gloves.
Even that one in the room. It's high time we got rid of her for good.
Well, Tari, you see, these things don't rush these things, because if you rush it, you'll be exposed. So
the gate man that opened the gate for this one, I have to fire him.
Wow, I told you, relax, these things will go. Why might you go and then bring things that will even cause trouble for us? Relax, soon the whole thing will just work. And then we'll forget everything.
Now, you are behaving like my real brother.
I know why you are interested, because I learned that Papa loved money so much. But Papa never got half of your own.
Okay, Boroto. You are not my husband, though. You are my brother.
Not because I'm my brother, because of envelope. You think I don't know? Take the greater percentage of the money.
Get man!
Second madam, you called me.
What? What did you just call me?
I said second madam. See, madam, I think my organ's wife na first madam. You na second madam.
Really? Anyway, who opened the gate for that fool?
Fools. No, madam, I did not open gate for any fools. So how can I open gate for fools? See, my organ don't want me say make I need to open gate for any fool in this house.
Who opened the gate for that gate that just left here now?
Okay. Madam Pauline. See, madam, that's madam where you see a very tight friend to my organ's wife, madam. But wait, madam. Where is madam?
Now listen to me. Listen. Go in there, pack your things, and leave this premises now.
It's
if I go in there and come out, and you're still here, you see what I'll do to you. Don't leave.
Madam, but what?
You are fired.
I don't know what to think. Honestly, I don't know. I think she's not telling us the whole truth. But why would Destiny travel to Abuja without alerting us her friends? Why?
Maybe she thinks we'll discourage her for going all the way from here to Abuja to identify her husband's corpse. Maybe that was why she kept it secret.
Yeah,
Alright. Oh God, I am so tired. You know what? Just go and rest. Tomorrow we'll continue the search. Let's pray she calls.
Me too, I am.
Okay. Don't forget to put on your prayers. We'll go turn and do it. Take care of me, my
See, this is your Connie.
Yeah, sit down.
It's quite unfortunate when we heard the terrible news. We have been trying to identify his corpse, but we were unable to see it.
Okay, you went to the site?
Yes.
Thank you, my son. Ah, my son. Okwa, my son.
Oh, it's okay. When his colleagues, we gave him a befitting burial.
Well, I thank you very much, at least for the interest that you people have put in. Why, man? These are Okwa's colleagues. They've come to condole with us.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's the auntie, not the mother.
People are welcome.
Madam, thank you.
What can I get you?
For now, nothing for now.
Even water.
We will come in next week with our members and to come and give full compensation.
Okay, to come and give you a compensation. Okay.
Next week. Next week.
What? Is there any precise date next week?
I will give you a call.
Okay. All right. All right. We'll be waiting.
But where is his wife?
My brother, leave that one. She picked her valuables and left us high and dry.
Oh my God, that's too bad.
That's what we see in these days. It's a pity for young marriages these days because of what these young girls do.
Well, we believe you, but we'll have something for you.
Now?
Yeah.
Ah.
Something to offer. Have this for now.
Oh,
yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you.
As I said, we will come next week.
That's all right.
Definitely, I will give you a call.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
God bless you.
It's okay.
Thank you. Take care of yourself.
Thank you. Maybe when you come next time, since you say you people want to eat something.
I don't worry.
Don't worry.
Thank you. Take care of yourself. It has happened. It has happened. We'll try our best.
Thank you.
Okay. Take care.
Bye-bye.
What is wrong with you this morning? Look, this thing is still smoking. It is still smoking. Look, wait. You like money too much. What's wrong with you?
Just give me the shit.
Go and close the door.
Give me that shit.
Before you close the door.
Half.
We shall do that one. We shall. What? Is that what? Do you know how much you have in your hands?
Okay.
Better stick up.
I see this your conny way. Child, he go put you for trouble. This your conny life. He go put you for wahala. Fireman. I say fireman. Sure you no go change your way.
That is it. 300,000 just like that. In fact,
that is just a token now. You know, more are still coming.
Of course, Nana.
More are coming.
When that time comes, real money. I'm thinking of what to do.
What to do?
This girl is knocking again. I'm going to the gate too.
Leave her. Let her knock. You're going to the gate.
Well, I can't stay too close and listen to all this big.
Well, I don't have a choice. I will just sit down and be listening to her so that I will know when people are coming.
When that money, I'm anticipating if it is condolent money, we are talking about millions. Because there are big people.
We have to agree on how to share it all.
That is, you have to know that I'm
we
the
are
man
in
of
this business together.
Fine, but I'm a man of the family. And the boy, don't do this, we have agreed, we are piling together.
You know it will be bad if both of us quarrel.
It will be bad for both of us.
If we quarrel.
Yes.
So you better compromise.
And you compromise too.
Because Jamaican, I'm not.
Okay, you go to the gate. Let me. Hi. Plane crash. Hi. In a typical of an eye, somebody has become rich.